So today I am at 13 Trelawney Close in Warbstow. Not too far to drive to the beach. Got Crackington Haven, and you can easily get to Boscastle and Tintagel from here as well by car. You've got some super views and some super places to walk your dogs. You've got Willsey Woods, you've got the Berry, and obviously you've got lanes and all sorts to walk around as well. The property itself is a detached 3-bedroom property. It's got a nice kitchen, all fitted. There is room for a little table if you wanted to, but you can put your table, as our vendors have, in the living room. You've got 3 good bedrooms, 2 doubles, and a nice wraparound garden. It's heated by oil-fired central heating, and it's double glazed. Have a look at the video and then book a viewing.